this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. So if you're trying to play a video or just sound in general and you can't hear anything in Google Chrome, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first step is just to click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of your browser, and then you need to scroll down and click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security, and then scroll down to Site Settings. You can then scroll down again and click on Additional Content Settings. Now scroll down to where it says Sound and click on this, and make sure Sites Can Play Sound is turned on like so. You also need to make sure there's no websites underneath not allowed to play sound. So you can see right here that I have YouTube in this list. So you'd need to click on the three vertical dots, and then you can go and remove this website from the block list. Now, if it's still not working, another thing you can try doing is right clicking on the tab that you have no sound on and make sure the site is not muted. So you can see I have the option here to click on Unmute Site, and just like that, we can now play sound from this video. If it's still not working, another solution is to come over to your desktop. You can then right click on the volume icon in the bottom right hand side and click on Open Volume Mixer. Now obviously make sure your volume is turned up like so, and just make sure it's not muted as well. For the output device, click on the drop down arrow and make sure this is set to either your speakers or your headphones, basically wherever you want the sound to be playing out from. You can then scroll down to Apps, and we need to make sure Google Chrome is turned up on this volume slider. Also make sure it's not muted as well. You can also click on the drop down arrow, make sure the output device is set to your speakers, and once you've done that, you can head back over to Chrome, and that should have now fixed the no audio issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.